See all of you, next module number 3, professional integrated controller I am going through. So here in professional integrated controller we should understand the basic things. In this, if plant is there, if we are giving the input to the plant, we are getting the output. But this is not good enough. Whenever plant is operating, we need to control it. So we are taken the references. In this reference, see here this is the reference and feedback we are taken from this position. If this feedback is not there, means here input, and this is nothing but the output. So this one is the plant. Here whenever we are giving an input, we are getting output. In that we are getting the errors. For example, if we want the 1500 speed, but if we are not getting the 1500 speed, 1490 if we are getting, this means 10 RPM is nothing but the error. We are not getting the exact speed. So for that we are using the PID controller. So here there are 3 types of controller. Here proportional, integral and derivative controller. We have to go for the proportional and integral controller, but we should understand these 3 first. Now see, just I said you, if I want 1500 speed but I am getting 1490, means 10 is the error. So this error is maximum. For example, 10 RPM I have not got, that is nothing but error. So this error should minimize with respect to time. So this goes on decreasing. At this time it has taken the time period to come to the 0 position. The error becomes 0 here. So if error becomes 0 with respect to time, then the condition is the good condition. Now there are 3 controllers has been used. For example, error is there. To minimize this error, to get the gain, we are use the 3 controllers. KP means proportional controller, integral controller, integral means 1 upon S, and differential KD, differential controller. So differentiation of this is nothing but S. So here proportional, integral and derivative. So these 3 controllers we have used here, and we got the output to minimize the error. This we have used to minimize the error. This controller used to minimize the error, and we get the gain. So now for example, with respect to graph I will tell you. So if this is the error, this is the error. Error is maximum at this position. So here this is nothing but time. Just in first graph I said you, the error decreases with respect to time. Same way here also the error goes on decreases. Here it becomes 0, then integral here, and then it is differentiated. So when it comes to integral, it becomes negative, and then again it decreases. We have to try to make it 0 with respect to time. Now here simple controllers. So here if we use this simple controller, with this simple controller, first point we are getting easy to implement these controllers, easy to test and easy to understand. See, if we get these simple controllers with respect to easy to implement, easy to test, ready to understand, we can easily save the time and money. Now for example, if there is a car and we are going from one place to the another place, so there is a gas pedal is there. So for example, if gas pedal at 0 position, and from 0 position it starts to particular angle phi, then car starts driving. That is nothing but, car is nothing but here plant we have used as a car. So if car starts driving, we are getting the velocity. So to control this gas pedal, we are using the transfer function. So from here this gas pedal is directly proportional to the velocity. So here to control this car, or you can say the speed of this car, we are using the low pass filters. This is nothing but in generating station to uh, transferring station. The electricity generates and then it supply to the supplier. So whenever errors comes, we are using the filter. So here we have used the low pass filter. Same way here is the gas pedal. In this gas pedal we are getting the errors. In this error we are getting with respect to the angle, and this is nothing but the transfer function, and we are getting the velocity. So 1 upon S upon W naught plus 1. W is nothing but the speed. Here this is nothing but omega. It is nothing but the speed. So here with respect to graph also it is given. So if car is going smoothly with respect to gas pedal or angle phi, so this condition is a good condition. And here with the help of the low pass filter, so here we are getting the disturbances. In these disturbances our car is going smoothly with slightly with disturbances, steady state it is moving. So this condition we can use as a gas pedal, nothing but in form of the phi upon S square. See, integral we have used here for the low pass filter. Here low pass filter has been used. So here integral is used 1 upon S square upon W naught plus S. So this equation we will get, we have to add this 1 upon S here in the transfer function. Now see here, same thing here, we have taken the reference. Now same P controller has been used to minimize this error from this reference to this transfer function. Then again, for example, if this is your plant, this is our plant, means for example from one signal to another signal, now car moves from this destiny, from one point, reference point to one signal. Again from one signal to another signal is car is moving. Means what? From here to here one control they have used, from here to here one controller they have used. But when the car is moving or any plant which is giving output, so first we got the idea about the speed, and then it controls in from one reference point to another reference point. So from plant 1 to plant 2 we are getting the control of phi, that is nothing but the angle. So here for example, here reference, now here P controller has been used to the given to the plant. Same way here just I explained from one signal to another signal. Starting our car came here to one signal with the error, but from signal 1 to signal 2 this error has been minimized. Nothing but the car gets idea how much speed should be there from one signal to second signal, and almost the error is 0. The same way here has been used. Same, see here the reference has been used, then error is there, error is minimized by PID controller from plant 1 to plant 2. Again whatever errors we got, that will be fully minimized, and this output feedback is given to again the reference point. For example, if I want the 1500 speed, then if I won't get 1500 speed, again feedback is given to this reference point, again it is adjusted, and I'll get the 1500 speed here. So they have used this transfer function in plant 1 and plant 2. If there is less error here, we'll get the higher gain. So same way there is frequency and voltage control. So always we are getting the frequencies plus minus 3%, and voltage, in voltage we are getting the variations in plus minus 10% for low voltage and plus minus 5% for high voltage. The voltage goes on changing, the voltage goes on you are knowing very well, the voltage always changes. So we need the control, so we have to use mostly the model control, which is nothing but sinusoidal frequency. We are knowing about this. The Indian sinusoidal frequency is 50 Hz in India, Arab, and 60 Hz USA and Canada. We are using this. So here K1, K2 are the constant, Ks is used for the pressure control and R is the drop value or regulation of the speed governor. In next video I'll explain the block diagram of PI controller. So this is the block diagram. In next video I'll explain this block diagram of proportional integral controller.